Hi, I am Dr. K. Kamalakannan, a professor in head automobile engineering department. I have been working in this institution for past 9 years. Right. Especially talking about this particular project, we are involving nearly 10 projects in our department. This project not belongs to automobile. It's a multidisciplinary project. We get the students from EEE, ECE, mechanical, mechatronics, and other departments also. Right. This particular competition is called Supra, say India, but internationally it is called Formula SAE or Formula IMEC. When it is happening in UK, it is called Formula IMEC, but the rest of the countries is called Formula SAE. Right. Here they keep all the boundary lines of making this car. We can make the car with the engine cc of 600 cc, but this our students have brainstormed. Our faculty advisor Dr. Jerome Charlie brainstormed, and we keep engine of 390 cc of KTM engine, single cylinder engine, right? And it's normally giving a 35 horsepower, but we are having a off-road dynamometer, and we do a engine tuning, ECU tuning, because our students as well as faculty members are knowledgeable in tuning of the engines, right? Where we have increased nearly 40% of its horsepower. So now it is expected 42 horsepower. That means it's nearly 25. Previous year we have increased under 25. The problem is we press our gas pedal up to 120 kilometer only. That is a restriction we are doing it. Otherwise maybe we will increase a little bit more also. This is about vehicle. One of the lightest vehicle, but internationally the average weight of vehicle is 200 and 220, but in India it's a Supra, it's a India called, it's also around 200. We have weighed in our department, and it shows nearly 179 to 180 without fuel and driver. So we can add driver and fuel, it may be for another 70-75 kg, right? Especially for this buggy, 50 people are working from all the department, where 25 people are eligible to participate. For all other students, they are from first year, second year, third year. We have taken them as an intern in the project. So 2 years, 3 years they are working, and the final year they become a project member of the team, where many gas students are keen enough in participating in the vehicle. During this 4 or 5 months of time, fabrication vehicle, many students stay in our lab, including gas students. From the scratch we have started the vehicle. So we have a virtual drawing and modeling and analytical calculation and simulation. Then we have to do a fabrication. So and testing, final testing. So every small component, manufacturing, testing, welding, wiring harness, ECU tuning, engine mapping, everything has been done by students in our facility. Fortunate enough, in SRM University, we are having a bigger fabrication lab. Almost all the high-end machines are available, so we don't want to go outside. That is one big advantage from SRM University. Management is kind enough in supporting even monitoring, as well as providing if we require any components or any ECU, they are ready to support. That is a big fortunate for a team, right? It's going on, and especially about this particular buggy, it is a 17th edition. We started our journey 2009, and we won few national championship, and during the 17 years of time we won nearly 22 awards. We also participated in international competition in Germany. It is called Formula SAE. This is one kind of project we are doing it, but team already told there are 10 projects we are doing, and again these 10 projects are with other departments of faculty advisors and students. This is a Formula SAE or Supra. Another one is called a Baha, right? Is off-road vehicle competition, and even that competition we participated in nationally and internationally, right? We took our vehicle to US, we took our vehicle to South Africa, and we have a long legacy on these competitions too. Number 3 is we are participating 4-wheeler electrical competition in two-seater car. Last 3 years we are participating, and we won few prizes, and we are having electrical 2-wheeler competitions where 2 3 teams are involving, and we are having a buggy competition, and we won many championship, and we won a few awards also. And we are planning to participate in autonomous underwater vehicle conducted by National Institute of Ocean Technology, and this is next year plan. And at the same time, we are looking for the solar vehicle competition, biggest solar vehicle competition happening in Australia. We have a long dream on participating that one, and yes, hopefully maybe 1 or 2 years of time we are ready to participate in that competition. Normally, industry people are just telling students are not having knowledge about their engineering what they are studying, but here what they are studying theoretical knowledge is converted into practical knowledge. Even I can call any of my student, a girl student or boy student, is not a problem. They do welding immediately. They know how much torque they have to give to any bolt and nut, what kind of bolt they have to use it. Like this, they understand complete manufacturing process, everything they know. Two is in systems, if they can use the software, they know how to do a modeling, and they know ANSYS, and they understand how to do a crash analysis, because crash analysis is another very important thing, where our people used to do what is the crash analysis, how vehicle can behave, and they are having IPG software, IPG car maker software, where they do vehicle dynamics of a vehicle. So one is a transient cornering, another one is steady state turning. They do all things in system, and finally they will test here. So that means what the expectation of the industry, we are trying to fulfill the students up to 90-95% will give. Anyway, 5% they have to get from the company, right? So number one. Number two is these students who are in these various competitions, after when they are completing the competition, they join the company. They not join as a trainer. They join as a regular engineer. That is a big advantage for us. That is what we are doing. We are trying to fill the gap between industry requirements as well as our expectations, academic expectation.